Linda, where are the passports?
They are on the kitchen table, Tom. Relax. We have time.
We do not have time. The taxi comes at 6 a.m. We need to sleep.
Jenny, are you packed?
Yes, Dad. Chill.
Did you pack your heavy coat? Switzerland is cold.
Yes. It is in the bag.
I need this holiday. My job is crazy right now.
We all need this. Just us. No work. No emails.
Okay, let's finish packing.
Do you have the boarding passes?
Yes, they are on my phone.
I am hungry. Can I get a coffee?
No, Jenny. We are boarding now.
Goodbye, boring school. Hello, Switzerland. I hope there is Wi-Fi.
Wow. It is so clean here.
Look at the signs. Everything is so clear.
Okay, the train to the city is at 10:15. It is 10:10 now.
Does the train leave exactly on time?
Don't worry. I love this country already.
Jenny, look outside. Put the phone away.
Mum, I am talking to Sarah. Sarah is in America. Switzerland is here. Look.
Whoa! It looks like a movie. Is that real?
Yes, it is real.
We are going to Interlaken. It is between two lakes.
Smell the air.
It is so fresh. No pollution. Okay. This is cool. Let's go for a walk. I want to see the lake.
I am not thinking about work. For the first time in months.
I am happy to hear that. Can we take a selfie? Okay.
A family selfie. A family selfie.
What is that? Whoa.
It is fondue. Melted cheese. You eat it with bread.
Watch me. Oh my God. This is delicious.
It is hot. But it is so good.
Did you see those people on the boat? They were hilarious. The ones wearing the silly hats.
Yes, I couldn't stop laughing.
Are you missing your friends?
A little bit. But this cheese helps.
I think it is platform 4. Or maybe platform 5.
Hello? Do you need help? Yes, please. We want to go to Zermatt. Zermatt. Beautiful. You need platform 5? The train comes in 2 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the Matterhorn.
Tom, look.
That is the most famous mountain in the world.
It looks like the chocolate logo. No?
Yes, the Toblerone chocolate.
I need a picture. This is going on my story. Huh? Dad, my legs hurt.
How far is it?
Just a little more. We are going to a lake. The Rifflesea.
Come on, Jenny. You play soccer. You are strong.
Listen to the silence.
It is peaceful.
In the USA, we are always running. Here, we just sit.
Yeah. It is nice to be together. Without homework.
Who wants energy?
What is that sound?
I think it is cows.
Hello, Mr. Cow.
Dad, don't talk to the cow. Can I touch it? Be careful. They are big. It is so soft. Look at this one of Dad. He looks funny. Hey.
That!
Delete that.
No, keep it. It is a happy memory.
I posted the picture of the mountain. My friends say it looks amazing. They are jealous.
Life is better than a phone screen, Jenny.
I know, Dad. I know. Thanks for bringing me here.
You are welcome, honey.
I didn't want to come at first. I wanted to stay home. But this was cool. We are a good team. Monsieur.
Oh, good team.
Yes, the best team.
Back to reality. Back to work.
But we are different now.
We are different at.
We have these memories. And we know we can relax. We don't have to be stressed all the time.
And we have chocolate.
Fun!
That is true.
That is true.
Swiss precision. Even at the end.
I will miss this place.
Maybe we can come back? Next summer?
We will see. Maybe. Maybe.